Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about specifications and features of OnePlus Nord 2. And at last, I will give you my reviews about this phone. So stay tuned to know more about it. Good things about OnePlus Nord 2 5G is that it has amazing camera, a big lid sensor, warp speed charging, stereo speakers, smooth OS with excellent hertz. Let's get into detail. OnePlus Nord 2 5G runs on Android 11 along with Oxygen OS 11.3. It has 90Hz Fluid AMOLED display and MediaTek Dimensity of 1200 AL chipset. OnePlus Nord 2 is powered by 4500 mAh battery and comes with Warp Charge which has 65 watt adapter. The phone gets charged 1 to 100% in just 30 minutes. This phone is categorized into 8GB RAM and 128GB storage and it will cost you Rs 29,999. Another one is 12GB RAM and 256GB storage which will cost you Rs 34,999. Three colors are available, that is blue haze, grey and green wood. This phone has triple camera setup which includes 50 megapixel wide angle primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and 2 megapixel mono camera. The front camera consists of 32 megapixel wide angle lens which is good enough for any user. The display size of phone is 6.43 inches and protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. OnePlus Nord 2 5G has dual speaker with haptics 2.0. It has impressive Sony IMX766 sensor. As compared to other OnePlus model, OnePlus Nord 2 5G is most affordable and as you know, it is a successor of OnePlus Nord. This phone has awesome AI enhancements with premium looking design. Because of its curved edges and slight weight, you can grip the phone easily. The company has not compromised with the design and you can observe that it is quite similar to OnePlus 9. Anyway, the price fits the phone as the display is bright and vibrant. Undoubtedly, processor of phone is powerful which can support multitasking and heavy games without any trouble. But you might feel that phone gets heated if you play games excessively. The camera of the phone is simply superb as you will get accurate details and decent colors combination. Colors accuracy is best for both indoor as well as outdoor shots. But the camera UI is not the quickest or sometimes you might get stuck. Low light performance of this phone is quite disappointing and the rear camera of 2 megapixel mono lens is limited for its use that seems to only increase the number of camera. But the screen brightness could be better. However, one plus point is that the battery performance is outstanding and the battery lasts for more than 1 day with massive uses. So you don't need to take tension about battery backup. Overall, performance, display and battery of phone is extremely good and you can definitely go with it. Moreover, OnePlus brings stereo speakers which do not matter to all, but yeah, it is great for music lovers. Also, Nord 2 supports the latest connectivity standards like Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6, which is good for all.